Seattle's shortest flight.
Hello viewers, in this airplane flight map animation we will be departing Seattle-Tacoma Airport, Seattle, Washington to arrive at Yakima Air Terminal, Yakima, Washington. The flight map depicts flight time of approximately 44 minutes and covering a distance of 155 miles. The altitude of airplane Embraer 175 in flight map will be around 18,000 feet. The airplane can reach to a top speed of 400